you also believe that robo advisors are going to replace human distributors?
See, robo advisors, when you think about it, what are they doing fundamentally? They are doing basically using technology with an algorithm to solve for, right? So whenever you, let's say when you make a decision on which funds to select for your investor base, right? You have certain criteria, no matter whether it's a large cap, mid cap, small cap, thematic, whatever it is. आपका जो criteria है, right? That is what a technology can copy. Because your criteria, if it is quantitative,
It can be copied.
So I would say that, see, if you look at it, what does a robo advisor do? It can take what you set up as a quantitative measure and it can put that in an algorithm or a formula. Okay, if a large cap fund is over certain threshold in terms of size of fund, and if it has a rolling 3-year track record of this, if it has that, whatever criteria you put, it can then spit out an answer saying, okay, based on this criteria, in my database, ये 4 fund है, ये select किए गए, right? So that element can be done, right? Now a robo advisor is not just that, it also can help look at certain different things. Can it replace, and that was what your question was, कि ये human को replace कर सकता है? In my mind, at some point, yes. Now, no. ये नया नहीं है. So if you think about robo advisory or even the use of technology, पहले इसको quantitative बोलते थे, फिर algo trading हो गया, फिर then they made it advisory, so robo advisory, robo मतलब. Now, if you look at it right now, ये इसका latest अवतार क्या है? Artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, right? So this is an evolution, right? I do not think anything competes right now with human intelligence. So the way I look at it is longer term, हमें AI plus HI, human intelligence, those will be the solutions. But I will also say this, कि in all technology evolutions, AI's evolution now is something that is very different than all previous technologies. So we, in all walks of life, I'm not just talking about in investing, even in the way you entertain yourself, the way you educate yourself, इन सभी चीज़ों में AI का हाथ होगा.